Hello guys, welcome to this new video on Python, and in this video we will be seeing some more alphabets in our alphabet series that we are making with the help of asterisks in Python. So particularly for this video we will be seeing how to make an H alphabet using asterisk or star in Python, and along with that we will be seeing how to make an I alphabet. So I chose both these alphabets because of the reason that you can see that H and I, like if I make an I here, so it is very simple. Just we need one vertical line and we need two horizontal lines to make an I. And also H and I are like in an alphabetical order. So in this video we will be particularly seeing these two alphabets. So firstly we will convert this H into a kind of matrix so that it is easy to visualize how many stars we will be needing for printing this H. So we will be needing a 7 row 7 column matrix for making this H, and in the same way we will be making this I. So if you view this image properly, so we can see that we actually need stars at column number 0, then we need stars at column number 6, finally we need stars at row number 3. So this will be like a very easy pattern, and in the same way we will be needing for the I pattern we will be needing stars at column number 3, and we will be needing stars at row number 0 and row number 6. So let's start with the Python program and let's see how this thing works. So for replicating a row and a column we will be like using two for loops here, and the range for that for loops will be in the range of 7 because we actually need 7 rows and 7 columns. So let's start that. Now for printing H, as you know that we need stars at only column number 0, column number 6 and row number 3. So we write the condition for that. So at this particular location we need stars. So I write here asterisk, and for ending we like want it all connected. So I put an end here. In the else part, wherever we don't need stars, we need an empty space. So we simply write end. Now after the first line is printed, like first it prints the star, then it prints spaces here, space, and then it again prints a star. So after the first row is printed, now then the cursor needs to go from the first row to the next row, and this should continue up till the last row is reached for printing inside the for loop. So this thing is actually done using an empty print command. So for that we write an empty print here. So this will like force the cursor to go down after the first line is printed. So this is it for printing the H. So let's run the code and let's see whether it's working or not. So as you can see, I needed to write this print command inside the outer for loop because this is for the inner for loop and this relates to this row first. Therefore this print command will come in the outer for loop. So this is done for the H, and you can see that we are getting an precise H here. Now in the same way, if you wish to print the I, so for that we need we need to change a few things. That is, we need to change the column to 3, and we need to put a row here. The row will be equal to 0 and the row will be equal to 6. So again run the same thing and you can see that your H has now converted into an I alphabet. So this was all about how you can print a star H and star I in Python. I hope that you have understood all these conditions. If you have any doubt regarding them, you can write in the comment section. I will reply to them. And in the next video we will be seeing a little complex alphabet, that is the J alphabet. Till then, if you like my work, please do hit the like, share and subscribe button.